This is a final video to help you decide if the Phanteks T30-140 is the best 140mm fan for your PC. Are you struggling to choose a right fan that keeps your PC cool without making too much noise? Many users face this problem because there are so many options with different speeds, airflow, and noise levels, and it's hard to know which one truly performs best. Most solutions on YouTube or social media dive into complicated benchmarks or long reviews that are tough to follow and confusing for beginners. Today on Rexish, I'll share a simple trick to quickly evaluate if the Phanteks T30-140 fits your PC. Check its airflow rating, noise level, and pressure specs against your case size and components. Then test it at your usual workload to see if it keeps your system quiet and cool. This method saves hours of research and avoids guesswork, letting you make a confident choice fast. If you want a full step-by-step guide on testing it in your setup, comment below and I'll make that video next.